I'm coming into the village of Helen Furnace. So I'm just going to hang a left. And we are going to dive into some history. There, village of Helen Furnace. In the 1800s, there was lots of industry in this area. And there we are, the beautiful Helen Iron Furnace. Go ahead and park, and I'm going to get out and explore. Welcome to Helen Furnace, Highland Township, Clarion County. Quote, Helen Furnace, one of numerous iron furnaces in Clarion County, was built in 1845 on the Alexander McNaughton farm by Robert Baker and William Packer. This cold blast furnace was operational until 1857. In 1856, within a 26-week period of operation, the furnace generated 1,000 tons of iron. Final ownership of the furnace belonged to Samuel Wilson. Dimensions of the furnace are 32 feet high, 12 feet across at the top, 30 feet across at the bottom, and had an 8-foot Bosch, quote. We'll tell you it's a little bit noisy at the grounds because Myola Road is in the distance. And this one is very well preserved. So a lot of Scottish and Irish immigrants settled the area. Okay, I'm just gonna check inside. And you can easily get into this one. The Rockland furnace, you have to crawl into that one. And I don't even know how safe it is in that one. Just remember to mind your head. You don't end up with a goose egg on top of your head. Okay, let's see. I'm going to walk over to the side. Yep. Peekaboo, I see you. Go ahead and walk behind the furnace. Looks like a sapling, seedling took root in the rock. So hopefully somebody's able to climb up there and pull that out, because you don't want the root system to bring the furnace down. That would be a real shame. If I had a ladder, I'd do it, but I don't. Okay, I'm gonna explore this little trail, see where it takes me. Well, it doesn't really go anywhere. Looks like there's a platform and a picnic shelter. Maybe I'll go to the other side and explore. I'm actually en route to Cook Forest. I'm going to be getting together and doing a group hike to the Forest Cathedral. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful weekend to do that. And a lot of these old iron furnaces, they were built right against the hillside. What was here? This looks like a foundation. Something was here at one time, but nature is slowly reclaiming it. Okay, here's the path. It is a bit of a climb, but looks like it's going to be a great cardio workout. That looks like foundation, or it might have been like the run. And when you get to the top, there's a viewing platform so you can view the iron furnace from behind. And at the top, there are picnic shelters and a grill. The leaves are just starting to turn up here. And villages sprang up around these iron furnaces because they employed a couple hundred men. And they call this one the Helen Furnace because with the Scottish accent, when they said Highland, it sounded like Helen, so the name Helen stuck with it. And a lot of trees had to be cut down for charcoal. Well, I'm going to have a granola bar drink some water, and I'm off to cook Forrest. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. And feel free to share till the cows come home. Thank you for watching.